The second law of power from the book, 48 Laws of Power, by Robert Greene is, never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. In this law, Greene emphasizes the importance of being aware of the people around you and not blindly trusting anyone, even those who you may consider friends. According to writer, friendships can often be fickle, and people may not always have your best interests at heart. As a result, it's important to keep your guard up and be aware of potential threats or dangers. This doesn't mean that you should be paranoid or suspicious of everyone, but rather that you should be cautious and aware of the potential risks involved in any relationship. Furthermore, Greene even suggests that having enemies can really actually be beneficial in certain situations. Enemies can provide a valuable source of information and can be used to your advantage if you know how to manipulate them. By understanding your enemies and their motivations, you can gain insights into their weaknesses and vulnerabilities, and use this information to your advantage. To effectively use this law of power, Greene recommends several strategies. Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. This means that you should be aware of your enemy's actions and motivations and be prepared to respond to any potential threats or attacks. To use your enemies as a source of information, by understanding your enemy's weaknesses and vulnerabilities, you can gain insights into how to better protect yourself and advance your own interests. Turn your enemies into allies, by finding common ground or appealing to their self-interest. This can be a powerful way to neutralize potential threats and gain valuable allies. Maintain control. It's important to remain in control of any situation and not let your emotions or personal feelings get in the way of your goals. This means being strategic and calculating in your actions and decisions. Overall, the second law of power highlights the importance of being aware of the people around you and understanding that not everyone is trustworthy. By maintaining a healthy level of skepticism and being strategic in your relationships, you can effectively navigate any situation and achieve your goals.